Hi Shag, I hope you like my shirt because it's yours and I'm really going to miss using all the stuff in all the spoils in your wardrobe. So I remember this one time when Ashika went out and she came back and she was kind of a little tipsy and and she was trying to open the door and she was like, kind of doing this like all over the wall because she couldn't find the doorbell. And Bug opened the door, and that didn't really go down too well. And then after that, about a month later, she went to Bombay on work, and she called us from there. And Mum, Bug, and I were together. We were all driving, so she was on speakerphone, and we were like, "We're gonna miss you. Enjoy your work trip." And I was like, be careful when you go out. You're in a different city. And I remember Bug was driving, and he was just like, tell her to memorize where the doorbell is before she leaves. And then there was this other time when she went out with Vaidehi, and she told the parents something else, like she was going to go somewhere else. And then she came back, and obviously by that time Bug and Mum knew that she'd pulled a fast one. And as she was walking up the stairs towards Bug to give him the next piece of bullshit on where she had been, before she could even open her mouth, Bug was like, she's lying. So at that point, Ashika just thought in her head that, when you're in trouble, then there's nothing much you can do about it. Just turn around and walk away. So she just literally just took a U-turn and walked away. And then there's this other time when I remember when we were in Germany, Ashika would when I would go out, and then I'd be coming back late, or had said I've gone somewhere and I'd actually gone somewhere else. Like, I'd always call Ashika and be like, Shag, where am I? So then she'd be like, okay, we'll tell the parents that you went to Tanya's house to study. So then we decide that, and then I'd come home and say, I was at Tanya's house studying. And so every time I'd go out and come back, I'd call her like, Shag, where am I? And I remember Henning was with me at that point, and even it got to a point where even Henning would be calling Ashika and be like, Shag, where are we? And beyond the point, she just couldn't take it anymore. She was just like, I don't know where you are. Grow the hell up and figure it out. And yeah, those were some really funny moments.